Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Credit Suisse Group AG is set to announce a major strategic overhaul after a string of losses and risk management failures have put the embattled Swiss lender under investor scrutiny. Michael Rihani, product lead at mobile payment service provider Cash App, has confirmed that the firm's 40 million users will now be able to use the Bitcoin Lightning Network to send and receive payments instantly. The dollar wallowed near a 3-week low versus major peers as more signs of economic weakness in the United States fanned speculation about a less hawkish Federal Reserve. The euro-dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair exploded 4.2% in the last session. The RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.3% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The US durable goods orders will be released at 12:30 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT. Australia's export price index at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's unemployment rate will be released at 23:30 GMT. The US gross domestic product annualized at 12:30 GMT. Australia's import price index at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.